What's up, Ryan? Simon here from Little Big Marketing. I spoke to you this morning about shooting this really quick video for you. Basically, I'm just going to explain a way that you could do yourself to get your website ranked on page one of Google. If you're not into that, you're more than welcome to give me a call and I can help you out with it. This is what I do, so yeah, hopefully this helps. Anyway, so there's three things I want to talk about, and they are content on your website, number one. Number two is backlinks and citations. And number three is keywords. I'll explain them a little bit as I go, but I don't want to go too in depth. Okay, number one, content on your website. Google likes to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on a website. Gives Google a way of knowing that you're a real website, that you've got enough information there, and it also allows you to optimize it for keywords. Keywords are any search phrase that someone might enter into Google, so obviously very, very important to register for. I've put your website into a tool we use called Ahrefs, and basically what Ahrefs does is presents to us all the statistics that are helping rank your site, what's being ranked, and what the traffic is to your site per month. At the moment, you're getting 1 click per month, and the reason for that is backlinks. Backlinks are any link coming from one site to another, and they basically build up authority in Google's eyes. So every time you get a backlink, you get a little more authority. They're not all created equal. Some are better than others, better quality, but what they help you do is rank for keywords. Now, if I put in here the best keywords for you would be something like mold inspection, San Diego, mold testing, mold removal, and you can see the volume of these is quite high. Now, you're also being searched there yourself, but you can see for pure maintenance, which is basically your name, you're actually in position 23, which is page 3 of Google. Anything under 10 is page 1. So what you really need to look at doing is getting onto page 1 of Google for these sorts of high volume keywords, and you'll start picking up a lot of traffic, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So I put into Google mold inspection San Diego, which was that top keyword there, and I've just come down through here and had a look at some of these different websites. One thing I want to point out really carefully is the map pack. For local services, this is a huge addition to your organic traffic and phone calls per month. Well worth being in here. Number two I mentioned with backlinks was citations, and citations are anywhere your name, business name, number, and address is listed in any directories on the web, and the more of those you have, the more chance you have of ranking in this top 3. You need to be in the top 3 because no one clicks view all or more businesses anymore. They always go out of these top 3 when they see the closest one, they go click, there you go. Now, I've kept going down here to the organic rankings. This is where all the main money is made. Precision Molding I've chosen as a competitor, and Inspector's Company. I'm just going to show you what these guys look like from being on page 1 here. So this is pure maintenance of CA's, oops, no, that's yours. This is precisionmolding.net's metrics. And you can see here, they've got quite a few more backlinks coming from referring domains, and they've got a lot of organic keywords, and they're managing to pick up over 300 clicks per month. Now that's a huge gain from your one, and I imagine that even if they were closing only 10%, that's another 30 customers per month. That's a customer every single day. So this number is also quite conservative. I think you could go a lot higher, but that will be up to you how far you want to take it. So you could get all the way up to the thousands. You could go national if you want. This isn't hard. It's just a process. Coming across to the next guys was the Inspector's Company. And what I want to point out is a lot of these guys don't have much content on their website. So if you were to get some content in on yours, you're going to start ranking higher above them just in that respect. There's about 200 things that Google look for to rank your site, but that is one very important part is the content, images and wording. So number 3 was the keywords. So you can see here, this guy's got really high metrics coming from just a few. Oops, I'm looking at the wrong. That's why this is so low. Had it set on the wrong thing. There we go. So quite a lot of backlinks, quite a lot of referring domains, and you can see here these metrics are a little bit higher. This is what Google looks at to rank your site. This is your domain. This is your URL. It's page specific. Domain is your entire website essentially. Now you can see here he's got 943 keywords. That's definitely overkill, but you can see how that helps in getting him over 420 clicks per month. Now, I'd be looking closer at the 500 mark for you, but as I say, it's as big as you want it to go. You could stop at 200, 300, 1,000, 2,000, whatever you want it to do. Now, if you're able to close at that 10% rate, this is definitely more than worth it, and I think that's a pretty conservative number. So that's something you want to look at doing, man, please feel free to reach out, give me a call. Otherwise, just reach out to the email. My name is Simon from Little Big Marketing. My phone number is 760-688-2297. And I hope to hear from you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.